Introducing Briston's Arabic Alphabet Flashcard Deck. Meticulously crafted by our team of experts to enhance learning and studying experiences. These pocket-sized cards include all 28 Arabic letters, with both English and Arabic names, transliteration, letter forms, and examples for each. These beautifully crafted cards are an effective language learning resource that can be incorporated into personal or group study, used for homeschooling or in the classroom, and gamified to make the challenge even more exciting. Combine this 28-card Arabic alphabet card flash deck with Briston's Arabic Vocabulary 300-card flashcard deck to enhance your learning experience. Start your Arabic learning journey today with Briston, inspiring learning through engaging and effective tools.